Got to protect our planet. But let's get over to Wave 31 storm tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. We are dealing with a little bit of heat returning this weekend.
I'm okay with that, actually. It's been kind of dreary.
Well, because then it'll feel like
mornings.
summer. I mean, it is still summer.
Well, and it won't be as gloomy either, guys. I mean, we've had all this cloud cover all week long, and we still have it this morning. We'll show you what's happening right now on the Wave 31 Skycam network. Well, I'll be honest, folks. I was saying this morning we'd see a lot of sunshine, and some people are, like Guntersville, where it's 82, but a lot of us still stuck in the clouds, and that's keeping those temperatures in the upper 70s in most spots. Here's a look at the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. I've added that satellite imagery to show you just how thick this cloud cover is, stretching from our Tennessee counties, Lincoln, Franklin counties in particular, down through Huntsville, Athens, Decatur, all the way into the Quad Cities as well. This cloud cover at some point today will break up and will move out, but it is going to keep our temperatures in check. I've dropped our forecast high a couple of degrees. Heading out over the next 3 hours, we will also start to see those thunderstorms on the increase. 30 to 40% chance through about 2 o'clock today. 87 is our forecast high. We'll be at 85 degrees by 2 o'clock today. So what do those storm chances mean for big game Friday night? Well, in general, there's not much in the way of changes to our football forecast tonight. We'll call it a first down forecast, I should say. We should get these games in tonight, no problem, but there could be some delayed starts if those thunderstorms are still with us by 6 or 7 o'clock tonight, and I do believe there will be some storms still around. Kickoff temperatures in the lower 80s. We're at 79 degrees by halftime tonight, and we won't cool down much throughout these games. Down to the fourth quarter, still in the upper 70s. So it's going to be warm, it's going to be humid. Just make sure you know where you're going to go in the event that your game has to go into a lightning delay later on tonight. So here's future radar. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon. You notice that cloud cover starting to break up, and as it does, we'll get a little more fuel in the atmosphere once we finally have more sunshine, and that's when those thunderstorms will start to get going. We're not expecting much in the way of severe weather today or tonight, but the strongest storms will have heavy rain. We'll have a lot of lightning and maybe some gusty winds around 30 to 40 miles per hour. So most of the activity is starting to wind down by 7 o'clock tonight. But again, 1 or 2 storms could still be around at kickoff. We are completely dry overnight tonight. Quiet start to your Saturday morning. And while the weekend is trending drier, it is not completely dry. You notice by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we're starting to see a few of those pop-up showers and maybe 1 or 2 thunderstorms during the peak heat of the afternoon. And then they'll start to fizzle out just a bit as we get past sunset tomorrow night, and we'll do it all over again on Sunday as well. Your temperature trend for the next 5 days, holding steady for the most part. We are back in the low 90s tomorrow, 91 Saturday, 92 Sunday, and you see that small cool down heading into early next week. That's when those rain chances start to go back up just a little bit. Going through the first week of September, so getting towards Labor Day weekend, our extended outlook for precipitation looks as though a wet weather pattern will be taking over as we close out the month of August and head into early September. And you see that on the 7-day forecast. That wet weather pattern starts to go back into play on Monday. No day looks like a washout next week. It'll just be those typical 30 to 40% chances for those pop-up storms in the afternoon. Otherwise, high temperatures stay in the upper 80s to near 90 with overnight lows in the low 70s.